Hey guys! Hi friends! Thank you for subscribing to my channel and thank you also for all your comments. Keep them coming. Don't forget to smash that bell to get notified each time I upload a new vlog. And please do share the link to my channel, Christine Babos Chronicles. Well, I'll see you in the next vlog and it won't hurt if you also watch my past vlogs. Enjoy and have a great life. Venue of tonight's theater date, the famous Hamilton. Mamayang 8 p.m. Yay! So excited in this Monday night kasi manonood kami ng Hamilton! Siyempre, mapanood natin ang kapwa Pilipinang sila Rachel Al at saka si Christine Aliado and other Philippine actors. Leg guys! Excited na kami! Ito yung tickets namin. So, before the show, bili muna ng souvenirs. Yay! Where do we exit there? Hamilton.
Parang ala shrimps
Okay, let's go, babe. Going na, going to our door 5.
Okay.
Yeah, Royal Circle door 5. Exciting.
So there's a bar just there for you, toilets as well in the left hand corner.
Yay, we're finally here inside. Ganda ng theater. Nirefurbish nila to for Hamilton.
As usual, full house dito sa Hamilton performance sa Victoria Palace sa London. Walang bakanting upuan. Kita nyo? Full house.
Alexander Hamilton.
Hi, Rachel!
Congrats! You make us proud. Ang ganda ng performance mo.
Sobrang galing. I have no words enough to describe your performance and how proud we are of you.
Kaya hindi na kami nagulat talaga nag-standing ovation yung buong audience because you all were great. Lalo na ikaw.
Lalo na ikaw, Rachel. So I know you're tired and we hope we can make it up to you. Sobrang happy kami. We feel blessed na napanood ka namin. So thanks again and congrats. You make us proud. Super galing mo. See you soon. We'll say hi to Nona for you. Ayan, dito na kami sa labas. Woohoo! Filipinas like you, Rachel. Make our country proud. You and Christine. Gumanon ka sa ending eh. Kaya, ganda. Super galing mo and super ganda talaga ng boses mo and your performance was so heartfelt. Ang galing, sobra. Yung mga get over. Hirap baka move on. I truly hope that you will still continue to conquer the world stage. After nitong Hamilton, from Miss Saigon to Hamilton, sana marami ka pang mga Broadway and West End plays na gampanan and who knows, movies. Congrats again, Rachel! So nakita nyo naman yung pila sa likod ko. 6:15 pa lang, 7:30 yung start ng show, pero pila na. And they've been performing to sell out crowds, sell out audiences for more than a year already. Kasi they started December 2017, I think. So nakaka-proud kasi dalawang Pinay friends natin ang nandyan at lead pa sa hit musical na Hamilton.
Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa backstage ng Hamilton. Yan, napakaswerte namin dahil kami naimbitahan ng isa sa mga stars ng Hamilton na isang Pinay. Walang iba kundi si Rachel Ann Go. At nandyan din syempre ang ating kaibigang Pinay na si Christine Aliado. And we're here to meet Rachel Ann Go.
Backstage, sa actor's entrance.
Ako na kukuha sa itin. Ikaw na ang pumasok. Ha? Mauna ka na. Ayun.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the stage door area of Victoria Palace. Come with me as we pay Rachel Ann Go a visit, and Christine Aliado, our Pinay friends, who bring our country pride. We'll make our country proud. Press buzzer.
Kausap mo. Hello! Congrats!
Congrats! Sobrang galing mo.
So proud of you.
Level.
Galing.
Galing mo, sobrang.
Wow.
Wow, ano feeling? O, yun mo. Dali, papakita natin.
How are you?
How are you? Nakikita niyo ba to? O, di ba talagang disappoint kami? Meron kami, pinapasok kami ni Rachel Ann Go sa stage door. Stage actor's entrance.
Stage door,
Yeah. So, syempre, dahil super sikat yung Hamilton, daming mga sikat din na tao na nanonood. Like today.
The Rock.
Si The Rock?
Oo, nag-picture kami, pumunta siya backstage.
Super nice. Tapos, he was giving us words of encouragement. Nakakatuwa.
So, gano'n siya making?
Parang mas matangkad si Hamilton. Oh my gosh! Pero he's really like buff.
Kasama family.
His wife.
Galing ano? Sino pa ang mga Hollywood doon? And how's your performance of the Queen pala?
Sino ba nandun? Sino Prince Harry? Okay naman.
Tsaka yung Queen mismo, si Queen.
Wala.
So you performed parang snippets sa Hamilton. How's life changed as a Mrs. Martin? Married na pa?
Saya naman.
Ano siya, theater actor din? So saan hindi ka kakilala? Hindi ka na kwento ni Lola?
Sa New York.
Sa church kami nag-meet.
Oh, Victory.
Victor All Every Nation.
Ay naman.
Doon ba kayo?
Hindi, marami akong kakilala. Si Chinkitan, Victory siya. Si, Casey. Di ba, Victory din siya. Yung galing-galing mo, alam mo to, ito, confession Yung aking daughter, 13-year-old, si Anya, dito yung picture, pakita ko siya. Siya ang addict sa Hamilton. Kasi, alam mo ba, after watching this...
Dalawa.
Ay, si Heto Anya. 13 and 8. Sobrang...
Si Hamilton is here.
Pakita natin.
Ayun, si Hamilton.
Ayun.
Ayun show.
Pakita ko sa'yo. Sige, Jules. Magtanong ka muna dyan. Pakita ko picture ni Anya.
Skechers ba yung suot?
Ano?
Yes, Skechers.
Bali, pahinga nyo ngayon, Rachel. This is your break. How long?
Dinner break, an hour.
Gosh, sorry
1
for
hour.
bothering you, sa dinner break. Hello.
Okay, second show Thursdays, Saturdays, 2 shows kami.
2 shows.
And, di ba, may bagong cast, pero wala na si Christine.
December 3, opening ng bagong cast.
So that's why so ang contract mo is ilan pa?
Next year ba?
Si Hamilton, siya pa rin. Yung artista na Hamilton. Siya pa rin.
Hi, friends. So this is Anya. Sobrang dream niya manood ng Hamilton, 13 years old, and then my son. So yung sinabi ko sa kanya na, look, we bought a shirt for you. Yeah, shirt, ganyan. Sabi niya, oh, we were supposed to watch it together. Alam mo, nakabili ko ng ticket, nakakaloka yung presyo. Sa New York.
25,000 each.
Magkano?
A ticket. 25,000
each.
A ticket.
Nakakaloka.
Sobrang mahal.
Fortunate kami na 2 million.
Sobra each.
Yeah. So
Yun yung pinakamura pa yun, ha?
Mura pa.
Kasi hindi yun yung ano, hindi yun yung parang pinaka-peak ng days ng ano, ng Hamilton.
Tuesday yun. Tuesday ng matinee, di ba?
Oo, matinee.
Tuesday ng matinee. Mahal.
It cost, you know what? It cost around $1,000 yung mga gabi.
Yeah, gabi.
Ano na yun? Hindi yung galing sa company, mga tao.
Resellers.
Reseller.
Wala ka na mabibili sa company, wala. Sold out.
But she knows kasi the songs by heart. Kaya yung napanood na namin ni Jules, very ko na-appreciate. Ang ganda pala talaga ng kanta. Pero sobrang galing girl. Gusto girl. And yung last song mo, because nasa yung last song, yung punta pa ng orphanage. Galing mo talaga. Goosebumps! Goosebumps!
Anong oras yung next mo?
Lalabas ko yung gift ko sa'yo.
6:30 yung show. 7:30 yung show. Pero ano na, wig and all that. Parang an hour before.
Okay.
So who has visited you from the Philippines? Mga artista, si Leia nag-visit na sa'yo?
Wala, next year pa.
Next year pa, sabi niya.
Ano ba? Well, hindi ko na maalala.
So ito,
ay, pwede kayo.
stop mo, sunod mo lang. Ito for Anya, yan ako. For okay lang ba?
May ballpen ka, oh.
Sa backstage. So,
Cute.
So ito, for Julius, sa amin din. Julius Christine, tapos Anya and Nino. Ayan. Mali mo si Anya, mag-theater someday.
Food delivery for Taryn. That's a food delivery at stage door for Taryn.
Pwede ka na mag-food delivery dito. Hi, Nona! Ito na. Ang napansin niya, tinanong niya agad yung sketchers ko. Anya, A-N-Y-A. Anio, N-I-O.
Oh! Bakit hindi ganyan? Ang ganda ha?
Ay, walang A. Sorry nag-alang ako. Niyo lang. Aniyo talaga. Anya, tapos N-Niyo. Ayan.
Oh, cute.
Yan. Life has changed so much for you, no? This is your destiny, no?
That is good.
That is good. Put a date, ha? Para alam na. Nandito kami ng November. Pero nanood kami.
22.
Pwede na yan yung visit namin.
Cute.
At Lola, napansin, tinanong agad ni Chin kung Skechers. Ano ka na ba nito?
Hindi, yung kay Shin ngayon, ano, iba. Hindi yan Skechers.
Pwede siya pang gabi. Skechers si Chin eh.
Hindi yan.
Chinelas yan, chinelas.
How are you?
Hey, hello there.
How are you doing?
And Christine.
Hi. Say hi to
Yo.
fans in the Philippines.
What's up, fans in the Philippines?
Newscasters.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, top news
How are
anchor
you?
in the Philippines.
What's your role in the play?
I play Hercules Mulligan / James Madison.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
What's today?
We watched it
This
Saturday.
one, November 19th.
Oh, did you enjoy it?
We
Yes.
did. It's enjoyable.
Revolutionary.
Yeah.
Term enough.
Good word.
Yeah,
Many
revolutionary.
superlatives for the show. Yeah.
Oh.
And enjoyment is not even enough
Yeah, you have to come
to
watch it
describe
again.
it.
You have to come
We
watch
will
it
in New York
Oh, absolutely.
this December.
Where's the tickets? Tickets.
Tickets, man.
Okay, give me that.
Listen, I'm gonna leave you, but love
All right.
Go.
Nice to meet you.
Mabuhay.
Say hi to the Philippines.
Hey!
Kamusta kayo? Mabuhay.
Kamusta? Kamusta kayo?
Kamusta kayo?
Kamusta kayo?
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Good accent ha? Hindi. Partner. Partner mo yan.
Ayun na.
Sige na, magkano ba ka nagkano na mamadali na siya?
Pero picture tayo.
Picture tayo.
Kasi wala ka sa camera.
Sige. O, magbabay ka natin.
Okay. So, thank you, Shin. Still in your, ano tawag dito? Theater robe.
May ano.
Yeah, and then we're so fortunate that she found time to take a break from her dinner break to meet with us. Kasi all the way from Manila. So, super na-appreciate namin. Kasi you didn't have to, but you did. Thank you.
Congrats.
Sisters in Skechers.
Bye.
Congrats, and eto lang, more power. Nakaroll pa ba? I don't know. Okay. More power. Actually, kasi may vlog ako. Okay lang ba? May vlog ako, I put it up ng October 30 na my birthday. So, kasama
YouTube.
Sa YouTube Sa YouTube. So, kasama yung London trip. So, ito, story ito.
Related.
Thank you. So, thank you, Shins, for my
Bye.
Debt-ridden 2 years later, see Alex and his mother bedridden, half dead.
Sa mga Pinoy, yes, sana po maka-visit kayo dito sa London and hope you can watch Hamilton. Yeah, so thank you sa support din yung lahat and miss ko na kayo lahat. Yung mga pagkain dyan at yung ingat yung araw. It's so cold here in London. But yeah, thank you.
What's next for you para after Hamilton?
No idea.
Hamilton lang muna.
No idea.
Tapos na ang aming short but sweet visit kay Shin sa stage entrance or sa actor's entrance. Doon lang kami sa gilid pero sobrang nakakatuwa kasi and nakaka-touch kasi she found time pa rin. From her precious 1-hour break, she was still eating dinner. Pero bumaba siya to entertain us, to meet with us. So sinay niya pa to. Thank you, Shin. So we wish you all the best. Sana mas marami ka pang makonquer na world stage and more plays, musicals to come and more awards. You make us proud. And just a few days after we got to chat with Rachel, or Shin, as she is fondly called, she went on to win the Best Actress Award in the recent Broadway World UK. Ganun siya kagaling bilang Eliza Schuyler sa Hamilton. At dahil nga gustong-gusto ng mga anak namin ang Hamilton songs, pagpunta namin sa NYC para sa aming family vacay, nanood kaming 4 ng Hamilton. This time, ang Broadway cast ang napanood namin.
So what did I miss?
Wala ka na-miss ninyo. Dahil napanood talaga natin ang play na Hamilton. Awesome!
Wow!
Excited na ako. Dali, ano?
Grabe. What about you? Anong excited na face, ate? Ate, give me an excited face.
Wow!
Cabs. Modern na sila. Wala na yung stripes.
Are you ready to check?
Ano yan? Ano yung mukha na excited?
Yes!
Ano yung mukha na excited? Agad yan ang gusto makita yung Hamilton eh. Excited eh. Yan na.
Oh my God!
You see?
You're looking mad cute, my dear. Yeah, you look cute.
Someone is excited. I know. Can't believe we're watching it. Rogers Hamilton, Richard Rogers.
It's so long.
Yeah, of course, but we have tickets now.
On the way.
Yeah. Go. Pero babe, haba ng pila, manunod ng Hamilton, no? Grabe. I'm not throwing away my shot. And I'm not throwing away my
I'm trying to draw
shot.
a concept for my
Alexander Hamilton. My name is...
Alexander Hamilton.
Tell me how to say no to this. No
know how
one
to say
no to this.
Oh my God, she looks so
healthy. Raise the glass to freedom. Yeah.
We don't support.
You feel that you're actually inside the theater now, and you're gonna watch your dream play. Hamilton.
Dream play.
Dream play. How do you feel? Happy, excited?
Yeah,
thrilled?
happy. You know what I really wish? I was with Ate.
Okay. You can talk later. Talk non-stop later. Because an adult, the kid has to be with an adult. You can't stay together. Huh? She's a minor, you're a minor. Okay? Enjoy the show. Excited na si Neo. Kasi Anya nandun kasama ni Daddy. Sumaba. Nakakuha kami tickets last minute. Praise God. God is good. Try to play. Try to play. It must be nice. It must be nice. It must be nice. Happy?
Yeah.
Awesome? Wow. Go Neo.
I recorded the music right now.
How'd you find the play, Neo? Awesome! Wow!
Hi po, Tita Rachel. Thank you po so much for your dedication. Talaga appreciate ko po kasi gusto ko yung Hamilton. Thank you po.
Anya and Nino.
Hindi ko po napanood ikaw kasi napanood ko yung sa New York na version naman. Pero hopefully one day, mapapanood ko din ikaw in person kasi sobrang galing mo po. Wow. Nakita ko yung video sa YouTube. Wow. Thank you po!